Welcome to the Windows Club. Are you bothered by Windows Update error 0x8031004a? If yes, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to temporarily disable the antivirus. For this, search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open the Windows Security application. In this application, go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Manage Settings. Turn the switch off for real-time protection. The next solution will be to clear the contents of the Software Distribution and Catroot2 folders. While it has a complex procedure which has been explained over a separate article, the easier way to do so is by downloading the FixWin app. The link to it is in the same article. After downloading the FixWin application, go to Additional Fixes on the list on the left hand side. Then select Quick Fixes. Click on Reset Software Distribution folder, click on OK, click on Reset Catroot2 folder, wait for a few seconds, let the cryptographic service start, and the contents of both these folders would have been cleared. Now for most of the users, these two solutions will fix their problem, but if they do not, then proceed to the next one. You have to make sure that all Windows Update related services are running. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command services.msc and hit enter to open the Service Manager window. Now scroll down to the Windows Update Service section. Since the list is in alphabetical order, you'll find it easy. Right click on the Windows Update Service and click on Properties. Now the startup type is automatic. Scroll down to solution number 4 in the original article and it mentions states for each and every service. For example, it says the Windows Update service should be set at manual. So I'll change it to manual. Then I'll click on apply and then on OK to save the settings. Similarly, there are a lot of services here. You can change their states accordingly. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. Return to the FixWin app and the same page you were in earlier. Click on Reset Windows Update History. It will need a few seconds and then it will fix the problem. The last solution will be to install Windows updates in the clean boot state. For this, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command msconfig and hit enter. This will open the system configuration window. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable All, click on Apply and then on OK and finally restart your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.